Hi Pisces, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies that are coming for you in the next 10 days from 30th of December to the 8th of January 2025. I was going to say 2024, but 2025 January 8th. Till that time, what's coming for you in terms of energies, important energies in your life? This is a general reading for the collective of Pisces. So the 10 of Pentacles is your external influence. So 10 of Pentacles influence tells us that it is a good influence. Number one, it is about your long-term future. It is about, in the present situation, it is about having good money situation, legacy, wealth. It is about attracting a long-term career situation, long-term love situation in life. So this influence will be very stabilizing in your life. It could be also completions and accomplishments. With the Six of Wands, it is telling us in this period you can experience great energies of leadership. You can also experience attention from your lover. You can get a pat on your back. You can get appreciated. You can get a good result of the work that you have done so far. So with the energies of the High Priestess and the Hangman, this is saying that your gut instinct, your intuition, and your alternate perspective on things and releasing energies that are not serving you will help you in this time period. And with the Hierophant coming here, you could be also getting rid of things that has been happening. You could be also like every one of the signs that I am doing, the Hierophant and the release energy is coming in. So Hierophant and the release is about sticking to what has been practiced, what is the tradition, what the community or the family is expecting. You are going to release that. You are going to change with an enlightening energy, and that is going to come to you from within, because you'll be hearing your own voice in this time period rather than voices that advise you, voices that try to chart your path or shape you up, which comes externally. So with the Six of Cups, the only problem, because Six of Cups is coming in the obstruction position, so this tells us that some of you might be again making some mistake that you have done in the past, or you could be despite the energies of release coming in with the Hangman, which is also your energy of thinking, retreating, and having a different perspective to release the old, you will still be you will still be affected by the old memories. So, in terms of love, this is telling me that a sticky situation of the past, ex lovers, ex situations of a company that you worked for, or some nostalgia is always keeping you in a negative mindset. So you need to release that. That is what angels are saying. Some of you could be dealing with another Pisces, or a Cancer, or a Taurus in this time period. But angels are saying whatever was taking a lot of time, whatever was the block on your path, with the Six of Wands in this time period, you are going to get a breakthrough. You will also release energies of thinking of that grass is greener on the other side, always thinking that that I am not at fault, but someone else, it is happening because of someone else. You are going to release that, because karma is around you. Karma is around you. Like I said in the yearly reading, that this year will be of the energy of a taskmaster. It is, the energy of Saturn that affects you, Pisces, in this time period. So and also the past triggers you, so you have to be on a balanced keel, on an even keel, and you have to be always fair and good towards others, or um, wherever you are expected to be in public situations. So with the Queen of Cups, you will have an understanding of your situation, that diplomacy, discernment will work for you. Three of Cups is telling me that a situation will get to a better, a problem will get to a better situation. And with the Hermit and the Sun card, you are going to retreat. You are going to internally have this energy of wisdom. You are going to take time out or break away from situations that always trouble you, or create negative impact on you. With the Sun card, you are going to see clarity very soon, and it will actually be a movement forward, enthusiasm in a situation, or um, a new vigor to experience a new passion, maybe. So you will be affected by some immature energy, or you could be affected by some kind of disappointment, or some kind of disappointment that you were not owning up. So in this time period, you are going to have this clarity of wisdom, basically. And as you move forward, immediate future is showing that something that disappointed you, something that created a situation of a problem for you, will be changing very soon, with the forgiveness energy or patience energy that is coming in for you. So with the energy of Temperance and the Queen of Cups, once again, the overwhelming changes, or where you had to decide, or you had to manifest something, you are going to practice patience. You are going to practice patience. You will be negotiating better. You will be able to bring a balance in your situation, and deal with this justice that happens, that is around you, the karma situation. So you will become more graceful, kind, warm, and you will be able to move forward with a with grace. And some of you are mitigating a situation of block. So a block had come up in your situation, and that block will be met with a energy of patience. You are going to heal. You are going to take time out. You are going to think about the new decision that has to be taken. So whether it is your public life, whether it is your private life, you are going to be on the verge of making a decision. You are going to take time out and prepare for the new situation. So there is a possibility that you have to embrace something new in the coming period, and you have to leave an old situation. So you are going to, with the outcome of Eight of Pentacles and Eight of Cups, you are going to embrace a new situation to move away from disappointments that occurred in your life. So there is going to be a slow change, but with a victory coming to you in this period, you are going to be encouraged to move forward and switch your gears away from things of the past that give you negativity or disappointment, and embrace something new and work for it. So you are going to have energies of new involvement in a project, in a work training, education, or in your love situation. So some of you need to take help in this time period. Ask for and accept support from others in terms of your love life. Retreat from a situation. So it's time to disconnect from the world, and you have to keep an open mind. So your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation, so you have to keep an open mind. So let's read out the ancestors and angels and ancestors deck advice for you. So retreat and recharge, the hermit card has come for you. So retreat and recharge, take time to rest and recuperate in order to continue your growth. Some of you could be also dealing with a block of bad health. So it's a short term energy of difficulty, but you need to take some rest, benefit from the information that will come directly from your heart space. So you have to listen to your own self in this time. You have been working hard and giving your all to a current situation, and it may become draining and detrimental to your development unless you retreat and recharge your energies. So you are being guided to take a step back at this time. If you are working on bringing something together, your over involvement could impede the progress. So retreat and breathe. If you have something to say or do that could have a larger impact on your life, spend some time in deep thought, even contemplation, before moving forward. Often, when we rush in, we don't see how destructive our actions can be. So, meditate and listen in your soul's wisdom before proceeding further. So, you will get some encouragement in the next 10 days, but it will take you a while to process it, digest it, and prepare for the next step. So, do not, in any circumstance, have any argument with anyone in this time period, because you could be overwhelmed and you could be, also thinking of the negative. At this time you got to manifest the positive side of things, and that is going to attract more positivity. So this is what I have for you, Pisces. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. Decide and then contact me through the email ID. And if you have other friends who are Pisces, please do share this reading with them. Enjoy the year end and the and I am wishing you happy new year and a great year with great tidings forward. Bye bye.